Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the North Face 100 Glacier quarter zip fleece. So this fleece is almost like an industry standard when it comes to standard 100 weight fleeces. It's perfect for all year round. So you heard me right, it is perfect for all year round. In the late autumn, winter, and obviously the kind of the late or the early spring, maybe the whole spring itself. This is perfect in a 3-in-1 system, but all year round, depending on how you feel the heat, you can wear it pretty much over anything. So the key features of this fleece, mainly there's one key feature. Well, there is one key feature, and that is the Polartec technology that's in this fleece. So it features the Polartec Micro series. So this Polartec technology, or the Polartec membrane that's in this fleece, has been designed for a 100 weight or micro fleece systems. Basically means it's going to keep you warm even though it's nice and lightweight. If you get a little bit hot, it's going to help wick away that moisture and keep your body and your core body temperature regulated, and just generally as well, the fleece is going to react to how you move. So whether you're going to be doing some low level hiking, some scrambling, or even climbing, the fleece, due to the Polartec technology, is going to basically react with you, keeping you cool, keeping you warm. That's exactly what the Polartec Micro series is all about. And that's why this fleece is an all year rounder. And again, I'm gonna stress, when I say all year round, I mean a 3-in-1 system in the late autumn, winter, and springtime. Anyway, that's the key features. So let's take a closer look at the fleece. So the fleece itself is a standard 100 weight fleece, let's be honest with you. So the model I've got on here is for a lady, a women's fleece. So what you'll notice, it is slightly fitted in the style, because that's a lady's fit. Again, the men's version will have a slight fit to it, because that's what North Face are all about, but it's, you know, a very standardized fit. But quarter zip. So first off, actually, before I show you the zip, I just want to talk about the actual the collar itself. So it has a slight elastication on the top. Now what that means is it's not going to, you know, strangle you, should I say, when you have to zip it up, or if you zip it up all the way. What that means is it's going to be nice and snug around the neck, trapping the air around your core, keeping you warmer for longer, which is a really, really cool feature. And it's just nice to have. Again, it's not too abrasion, even though it is a slight elastication. It is a different, obviously, style of material around the neck. Just at the top bit there, it's nice and comfortable against your skin. The zip itself is a standard quarter zip fleece. Opens up nice and wide, which means you can get your head in and out of it. The zip itself isn't guarded or flushed or anything like that, which is a bit interesting, but obviously it's a 100 weight fleece. It's not designed to be worn in the winter time. And again, in the winter time, if you use it as a mid layer, which you can do, like I said before, you've got a layer underneath and you've got a layer on top anyway, so you don't really need like a flush guard behind that. So yeah, it's just a standard fleece, but again, it's got a nice action to it. Cuffs themselves, again, they have that elasticated material. So again, traps it around your wrist there, just maintains your core body temperature. But again, it's not too tight that it's going to cut off circulation, and the material itself of the elastication is nice and soft against the skin. And just to show you again on here, you've got the same setup on here as well. So it does exactly what it says on the tin. And then on the bottom here, basically you have that elastication as well. So with this elastication, like I said, it seals off around the neck, seals your wrists, and it seals around your waist, offering you more comfort. Again, it means that the Polartec technology and the fleece itself, due to the elastication, is going to move with you rather than against you, making it perfect for, you know, the adventurous type out there. And then it just adds that initial comfort, and it means that the fleece, working with the Polartec, is going to react better to your overall core body temperature, making your hike, your scramble, or your climb a lot more comfortable, and obviously temperature regulated. So that's the general features of the fleece. And let me just quickly show you the back. It's pretty much a standard affair. When it comes to the stitching, you'll only see stitching along the side panels here, and again, it's flat lock, so they've taken the two bits of material and they've stitched it on the inside. Basically means, because it's an open panel, you get a little bit of stretch, but because of that open panel as well, working with the Polartec, again, it just works at regulating your body temperature. Also as well, there's less stress on the parts of the fleece itself, because where there's a stitch, there's stress, because even though they are flexible, naturally, you know, stitching isn't that flexible, you know, it's there for a reason. So having more of an open panel section on a fleece or on a jacket just means, yeah, it can maintain your body temperature a lot quicker. It works better with the Polartec Micro series on the inside there. It just means it's going to regulate your body temperature. So who is this fleece for? Now, like I say in pretty much, no, I think in all my reviews, this fleece is, in all honesty, it ticks the boxes for everyone. Even if you're just using it to commute to work, walking your dog, to scrambling, to doing a bit of fast-paced hiking. Because of the Polartec technology, it will keep you nice and warm. It will keep you nice and cool if you're a bit hot. Yeah, it literally ticks all the boxes. Unless you're gonna like go in the depths of winter in the Arctic and you need obviously something a bit more serious than this. If you know you're gonna stay in the UK, the autumn, winter time, or the summertime, or the springtime, basically any season, like I said at the beginning of the video, this fleece will suit your needs and it will keep you nice and warm. But that is one, due to the overall design that North Face have done. The 100 Glacier is a very standardized, dare I say historic, if that's the correct word, fleece. Yeah, it's been around for years, very much like the Hedgehog trail shoe series. The Glacier series has been tried and tested for years. So within that fit and the way that the fleece moves with you, that's a big tick. But then also as well, like I said, the Polartec Micro series that's embedded in this fleece is even a bigger tick. So those two work really, really well together. So again, scrambling, backpacking, going to your local shop, this is going to be perfect for all those sorts of things. It really is a workhorse of a fleece, should we say. So if you want to find out more about this fleece, just head over to our website, webtogs.com. And then what you will also might find out is we're doing a really cool initiative at the moment, is that if you place an order, we will plant a tree. Now that's awesome within itself. Obviously the world and the earth needs more trees. We need to help reduce and play around with our carbon dioxide and our carbon emissions. So the fact that now with every order we will plant a tree on your behalf is absolutely fantastic. But because our warehouse is so eco-friendly and eco-efficient, our carbon emissions at the moment, as of recording, are down by 93.5%. Now that's very, very low, and hopefully, fingers crossed, in a couple of years, we will be 100% carbon emission, which is fantastic. But what that also means is, if you place an order through us, we plant a tree. So that tree that we've planted from your order actually carbon neutrals 3 other Webtog orders. So it really is, again, I know I keep saying it's ticking the boxes. So this is mainly due to the fact that our carbon emissions are so low. The fact that that one tree that we planted will cancel out the carbon, or the little carbon that we created for the order of 3 orders on our website. So yeah, that's really something to consider. And if you want to find out more about that, again, it's all on our website, webtogs.com. I'll pin all the links to the product and to that down below in the comments. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and as always, happy trails.